Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, in our last class we have derived a formula to find the area of a trapezium. So in this section let us derive how to find the area of a general quadrilateral. Any quadrilateral, how to find the area. So here ABCD is a quadrilateral. We have to find the area of this quadrilateral. So to find the area of this quadrilateral, I have joined the diagonal BD. So here BD is given, and to BD the heights or altitudes from opposite vertices are also given. Here H1 is the height from vertex A to the diagonal BD, and H2 is the height from vertex C to the diagonal BD. So the area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ADB plus area of triangle BCD. So what is the area of triangle ADB? So half base into height. So if we will take base as BD and the height is H1. So this is equal to half BD into H1 plus area of triangle BCD. BCD. So base is same as BD and height is H2 plus half BD into H2. So this is equal to half BD into H1 plus H2. So here BD is one diagonal and H1 and H2 are the heights to that diagonal from the opposite vertex. So therefore the area of any quadrilateral is equal to half multiplied with any diagonal multiplied with sum of the heights to that diagonal from opposite vertices. So this is the formula for area of a general quadrilateral, that is half multiplied with any diagonal multiplied with sum of the altitudes or heights to that diagonal from opposite vertices. So let us solve a problem by using this formula. Let us solve this question. Find the area of quadrilateral PQRS. PQRS is a quadrilateral. Here this is given QS. So in quadrilateral PQRS, QS is equal to 5.5 centimeter, and this is the height to QS from point R. So let this is H1. So H1 is equal to 1.5 centimeter, and the height from vertex P to QS is 2.5 centimeter. So let this is H2. So H2 is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So according to the formula, what is the area of quadrilateral PQRS is equal to half multiplied with one diagonal. Here QS diagonal is given. So this is 5.5 multiplied with sum of the heights to QS from opposite vertices. That is 1.5 plus 2.5. That is centimeter square. So this is equal to half multiplied with 5.5 multiplied with 4. So this is centimeter square So this is equal to 11 centimeter square. So this is the area of this quadrilateral PQRS. In this way, you can find the area of any quadrilateral by dividing it into triangles by joining any of its diagonals.